Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video, we'll show you how to replace an LG dryer drive belt. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. If the drum is not turning in your tumble dryer, but the motor is running, it may be due to a broken drive belt. Remove the top of the dryer and the water tank. Remove the right side of the appliance by undoing these screws and then lift it off. And remove the left-hand side panel in the same way. Remove the screws holding the upper rear panel in position. Unscrew the heater cover and remove the fan by undoing the nut and pulling it off the motor shaft. Unscrew these screws at the base of the rear panel. Disconnect the hose from the drawer housing and lift it out of the way. Release the other side rail by pushing in and move the drum away from the front enough to allow the belt to slip over the drum. Then lift the drum back onto the front. Reconnect the side bracket and refit the drawer housing. Make sure the return hose drops into the sump and the supply hose connects to the drawer. Refit the lower back screws fan and retaining nut. Refit the heater cover. Unscrew the internal fan cover and remove the fan. Refit the belt to fit over the motor spindle and onto the tension pulley. Refit the fan and cover. Refit the side covers. Finally, refit the drawer and top before retesting. For all the spares you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.